It's been nearly 2 months since the Graham Norton Show was last on. There are no doubt many people desperate to know when the BBC's popular Friday night chat show will be back on air, and the good news is, a return date has finally been confirmed. The Graham Norton Show will begin its 24th series on Friday, September 28, and there will be a total of 19 episodes. Advertisement. Continue reading below. No guests have been announced just yet, but we imagine with the premiere a little over a month away, it's only a matter of time before the BBC confirms which famous faces will be sitting on that red sofa. With high-profile movies such as Venom, Bohemian Rhapsody, Crazy Rich Asians, Fantastic Beasts, The Crimes of Grindelwald, and Robin Hood seeing UK releases over the autumn period, we'd love to see Hollywood stars such as Tom Hardy, Michelle Williams, Rami Malek, Constance Wu, Gemma Chan, Eddie Redmayne, Catherine Waterston, and Jamie Dornan goofing around with a Graham. A Star is Born will also be out around that time, so can we expect to see superstar Lady Gaga return to the show? Last series featured guests including Dwayne Johnson, Cher, Ryan Reynolds, Sandra Bullock, Emilia Clarke, Mary Berry, and David Beckham. Amy Schumer was also scheduled to appear, but had to pull out following an emergency hospitalization in April. Graham Norton Show airs on BBC One. Want up-to-the-minute entertainment news and features? Just hit like on our Digital Spy Facebook page and follow on our @Digital Spy Instagram and Twitter account.